Imagine a scenario where the independence of the Federal Reserve, a cornerstone of economic stability, is threatened by a single presidential decision. This is the alarming reality at the heart of the legal battle between President Donald Trump and Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook. But here's where it gets controversial. Trump is pushing to fire Cook, a nominee of President Joe Biden, over allegations of mortgage fraud, claims she vehemently denies. Her lawyers argue that granting Trump's request would eviscerate the Fed's independence, setting a dangerous precedent for presidential control over monetary policy. And this is the part most people miss. The allegations against Cook stem from actions that occurred before she even joined the Fed, raising questions about the timing and motives behind Trump's move. Earlier this week, a coalition of economic heavyweights, including every living former Fed chair, urged the Supreme Court to block Trump's request, emphasizing the need to protect the Fed's autonomy. The core issue? Whether Trump has legal grounds under the Federal Reserve Act to remove Cook, a question that could reshape the balance of power between the White House and the nation's central bank. Cook's legal team insists that Trump's claims are baseless and politically motivated, pointing to his long-standing frustration with the Fed's interest rate decisions. If the Supreme Court sides with Trump, it could open the floodgates for future presidents to remove Fed governors on flimsy or politically driven charges. But here's the kicker. Even if Trump succeeds in firing Cook, she could still be reinstated if the court ultimately rules in her favor. This high-stakes legal drama isn't just about one governor's job. It's about safeguarding the Fed's ability to make decisions free from political interference. Is Trump's move a legitimate exercise of presidential authority, or a dangerous overreach that undermines economic stability? Weigh in below. This debate is far from over.